welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay, so today we have plant-based sloppy joe, and I'm gonna try it. So it's ground veggie meatless classic honey barbecue. This is what she looks like. Culinary sloppy joe honey barbecue classic. So I'm never, I'm trying a vegan thing. I'm not really a vegan vegetarian person, but I'm trying to eat healthier. Trying is an understatement. So let's see how this works. It's supposed to be ready in 15 minutes. You know I'm a quick and easy girl. I like quick and easy meals. It replaces it's ready in 15 minutes and replaces 1 pound of ground meat. So this is what she's supposed to look like. Out the bag. So here it is. The ingredients. You will need 1 cup of water, 3 teaspoons of oil, green pepper chopped, 1 small onion chopped, and ½ a cup of ketchup. So y'all know the deal. If y'all new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button for future videos, because I'm gonna be posting now. We have an audience. I'm be posting. So hit that notification button, okay? It's right down there. Below down there. You know what it is. You know the drill. Make sure you like this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think. I'm excited for the next one too. We about to do TikTok food hacks from Trinity Day. I'm excited about that one. So yes, we about to get into this vegan trend friendly. That's what it's called, vegan trend friendly. Classic, natural flavors, gluten-free, 8 grams plant protein per serving. So y'all, we about to get into it. Okay guys, so here are the instructions. So what you do is you combine the contents, which is this bag right here, with a pouch of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. So I don't know if it's hot water, cup of hot water, 3 teaspoons of oil. Let me get my oil. Hold on. Okay, so I have olive oil right here, like tasting olive oil for sauteing, baking, and frying. This is what I'm gonna use. That's gonna be my oil. So so what I'm gonna do now is put the contents combined with water, pouch of water, in there for 5 minutes. We'll be right back. Y'all, I'm smelling it. I just opened this up, okay? Look. Ooh, look at it. It look like meat. Look. I mean, I don't know if it smells like meat, but it looks like meat. So we're about to put this in here. I put it all in. So it says we got to do the ingredients properly to get it right. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. So I need to get some water, and I'll be right back with the water. Okay, guys, I don't know if this is a lot of water, but this is what it is. I put like this much in there. Is this like up to the top? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's the bowl.
And here's the water. I'm just gonna pour it like so. Just make sure y'all see.
And then I'm gonna set my timer. So that's what it looks like. That's the consistency that it's looking like right now, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes. Listen to some ratchet music, drink some wine, and I'll be back. Alright guys, excuse me for my ratchetness. So this is what the meat looks like, the consistency of the meatless meats. So sorry to my WAP. I had to do a voiceover, honey, because you know how YouTube do credits. They like to not monetize you for the shit. But yes, that's what it looks like as I've been sitting for 5 minutes. So right now what I'm going to do is put some olive oil into the pan. Some light tasting olive oil into the pan. Just as so. Yes, just like that. Just like that. And if you like what you see so far, hit a like button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. If you can figure out where I got that from, that phrase from, comment down below. Maybe you'll win another giveaway. Whew, hell. I know a lot of YouTube phrases from other people, honey. So that's the onions going right in there. The green pepper. I'm trying to fix this tripod, honey. I'll get a new one in the future. You're gonna have to work with what you get. Y'all see my air fryer? Isn't it cute? Sitting right there. It's cute. It's cute and it's colored and it's black like everything else. My onions and my peppers. You're gonna saute them until they're soft. Until they're at the consistency that you desire of your desires. So yes, keep stirring. Y'all see me? I'm trying to twerk. I'm twerking and dancing at the same time without twerking. How you do that? So you keep stirring and stirring and stirring, honey. And stirring. Yes, and stirring. And I had to add a little extra ingredients like some garlic powder, honey. They only didn't have any extra seasonings. So I wasn't sure how it was going to taste without seasonings. You never know what you can get out the bag. Some black pepper. Yes, for the black pepper, honey. Honey. Y'all, I be tripping. And some salt, some iodine salt. There we go, iodine salt. I know I love my salt. I be putting a little bit too much on, but I'm gonna stop all day because I'm getting too old, honey. Yes, and some Creole seasoning. I had to put a little flavor in it, honey, because I know what type of flavors vegan meat have in them, okay? So I had to put a little seasoning. Yes, for the seasoning. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Isn't it pretty? It's real pretty. So you stir the ingredients together. Are y'all writing this down? Please get a pen and paper if you're really serious about eating healthy. If not, then just watch and listen. That's all I gotta tell you, honey. It's an 18-minute video, I think. Watch and listen and learn something from the queen. So yes, we're stirring and we're stirring. Then we're stirring. Then I'm dancing while stirring. Ooh, I will put music in the background so y'all, you're not just hearing is my voice. Ooh, Lord. Yes, for stirring, honey. I love my cute little kitchen. It's so cute, isn't it? When I buy my house, my kitchen gonna be huge, honey. Everybody gonna talk about my kitchen. So that's what the meat looked like. Looking like. You put it in there, put it in a pan, stir it with your onions and your peppers. That's what you do. This is my radio voice. Yes, and you keep stirring. Keep stirring. And that's what the consistency looks like of the meat. The non-meat. It tastes a little maple-ish, to be honest with y'all. It tastes a little maple-ish. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all listen to some music, honey, and get into it. Alright, bye. right, you guys, so I let it sit a little bit, and I like a little ranch on one side. Can y'all see? Ranch on one side. You know, must have done. I ran out of ketchup, so I had to improvise. Sometimes you have to improvise. I had to use a little salsa piece, and I had to improvise. So we about to put some of this on here. I like to be a little cute when I do this. It's a good direction so you guys can see it when I'm pouring. So it looks just like a regular, not make a mess on the floor though, a regular Sloppy's Joe's. Sloppy's Joe's. I just said Sloppy Joe's, people. Sloppy's Joe's. It looked like a regular Sloppy's Joe's. All right, so we're gonna try this though. It smells like maple. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It smells like a little maple. That's what it looked like. That's what she looked like. Hold on, let me take a photo for Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Steffi X Love. On Instagram, that's where I post all my videos. And when I'm posting, you're gonna know because it's on Instagram. You're gonna know. Follow me, honey. Follow me. All right, sis, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna try this. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna try this for you. Let you know how it tastes. I haven't eaten like anything like one day. So really. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. I know y'all love this part. It really actually looks like a little Sloppy Joe-ish. Sloppy Joe-ish. Okay. I heard something. Maybe. Oh. Get off of here, Red. Dang. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's actually really good. It's good. Hold on. I did that, y'all. I did that. It's good. It's good. It's good. I did that, honey. It's a little watery, but you gotta let it sit for a little bit before you start putting it on the sandwich, okay? Let it sit for a little bit. Because as you can see, it's a little sloppy, like a little sloppy Joe piece. Now that's what I call, that's what the inside look like. That's what okay, Tabitha Brown, look me up. Tabitha, that's Stephanie Nicole Honey. I did that. All right, y'all, that's it. That's the video. That's the end of the video. If y'all like what y'all saw in my video, comment below if y'all want to try it. I'm going to put this in the description box. Honey, this is the truth. Some healthy alternatives to a healthy Sloppy Joe. So, let me know what y'all think, because y'all know I love to hear and read everything that y'all talking about. And then go to my last video, y'all, because I did post a giveaway, but y'all didn't comment and let me know which is my favorite video. Y'all gotta comment below. Let me know which is my favorite video, okay? And if you can guess which is my favorite video in my last video, then I'll give the first person who comments and gets it right gets a giveaway, okay? Gets a second giveaway. Now y'all gotta do that. Y'all gotta follow the line, follow the order, okay? All right, that's it. I gotta go. I gotta eat. I'm drinking wine. And I was watching Miss Parker. Hey, Miss Parker, bitch. I was watching the Parkers, honey. I gotta go back to my show, okay? So, love y'all. Please subscribe. Hit that notification button. If y'all enjoyed this video, let me know. And I appreciate everybody's support, okay? And I'll be back with another one. Back with another video, ho. Did I just say video, ho? All right, let me get off this piece. I had a little bit too much veggie foods.